Hey there traders and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the ratio chart feature in TradingView, a powerful tool that can give you a fresh perspective on your favorite stocks, indices, or even entire sectors. By the time we're done, you'll know how to easily set up a ratio chart so you can compare two assets side by side and make smarter trading decisions. Whether you're brand new to TradingView or just looking to unlock more of its potential, you're in the right place, so let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up TradingView. If you don't have it open already, just head over to TradingView.com in your browser. I highly recommend logging in with your account if you have one, because it makes things a lot smoother and lets you save your charts for later. Once you're on the home page, you're going to notice there's a top navigation bar with several options. This is where the magic happens. Now look towards the top of the page and click on Products. The Products dropdown showcases all the tools and features TradingView has to offer, from their popular charting tools to the social aspects where traders share ideas. We're focusing on charts today, so once that menu appears, select the Chart option. This is your main workspace, the hub where you'll view price action, experiment with indicators, and most importantly for today, overlay ratios. Once your chart loads, take a look near the top of your screen. You'll see a toolbar with several options. What you're looking for is the Indicators button. Let's slow down here for a second because indicators are a big deal in technical analysis. These are tools that help you make sense of price movement, volume, and momentum. Think of indicators as your toolkit for interpreting the market's signals. Go ahead and click on Indicators. A new window will pop up with a search bar at the top. You might see a big list of trending indicators or some popular ones that TradingView recommends. Don't get overwhelmed. In the search field, type Relative Strength Ratio. Now, just so you know, the Relative Strength Ratio is a great tool for comparing the performance of one asset versus another. For example, you might want to see how Apple is doing compared to the S&P 500, or maybe gold versus silver. The ratio chart helps you spot trends you might otherwise miss if you only looked at each chart separately. Once you see Relative Strength Ratio come up in the search results, simply click on it. By doing so, TradingView will automatically add this indicator to your chart. You'll notice that your grid updates, showing the ratio line overlaid on your chosen asset. This visualization can reveal which asset is outperforming, potentially alerting you to the start of new trends or shifts in market strength. If you're a visual learner, this is where things start to click. You can literally see strength or weakness with your own eyes, and honestly, that's it. Sometimes the best trading tools are the simplest to set up, and with just a few clicks you've unlocked a fresh way to look at markets. If the grid looks a bit crowded or confusing, don't worry. Take a moment to fiddle with the settings, hide any unnecessary indicators, or zoom in and out until it feels comfortable for your workflow. The key is to explore and make it your own. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really does help support the channel. And if you have any questions about using ratio charts or TradingView in general, drop them down in the comments. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one so you can keep leveling up your trading game. Thanks for watching and happy charting.